Hi artists and family members, welcome. Tonight I'm going to show you how to create a found object heart with things that you have maybe around your house. So I'm going to do a little demonstration and then you can either try and follow along with me or work together with your family as a team to come up with some neat objects to create a unique piece of artwork. What's really great about this is you really don't need any art materials at all to create this piece of artwork. Okay, I'm going to adjust my screen so that you can see where I'm working. So sometimes it's helpful, again, you don't have to do this part, but sometimes it's helpful to start out with actually just drawing or lightly sketching a heart shape. That can kind of help you get started if you're not sure where to begin. And then from there, I've gathered some things that are just on my desk here at school to see if I can use any of those to help fill in the heart. Okay, so my goal is to try and, since I drew the lines, cover those lines up, but also fill the inside of the heart with objects that I have found. So I'm looking for, I've got my curved lines up here, so I'm going to be using some curved shapes. There's another curved shape. And what's kind of neat about this is you might try something and it might work really great. And you might try something else and it doesn't work at all. Or you come up with a different idea as you're building and creating. And that's perfectly fine. That's part of the fun of it, is to work together. Kind of like putting together a puzzle. Seeing what shapes work well together, where you have little gaps or holes. And sometimes it is more interesting the more the different types of objects that you gather instead of having all of the same type of object. So I have some crayons that I might use, but I'm going to try and find some other things to fill in just to make it look more interesting. Also have this here. I might move this. Whoop. One of the things that can be a little frustrating too is because you're just laying these things down, they might move on you. That's okay though. So I'm trying to fill up as much of the white space as I can. Making sure that I've thought about everything, filling some different things in. Now you might have to start with some of your objects and either go gather some more, or maybe you have too many. I think for me, I need to gather some more because as I'm looking at it, I don't have quite enough. Again, this is something that is fun to kind of create together. And see what works and what doesn't. Okay. So good luck working on your found objects artwork that looks like it's in the shape of a heart. Again, it's just supposed to be fun. Hopefully you have fun working together as a family to create a neat and unique piece of artwork. Enjoy!